This note in your hand right now? It's been in someone's sweaty pocket, washed in someone's trouser leg by accident, folded, crumpled, torn, taped back together, and it's still circulating. The average Indian banknote passes through hundreds of hands before it's finally destroyed. And India destroys a lot of them. 23.8 billion banknotes were destroyed in FY 2025 alone. Printing new ones cost India 6,372 crore rupees in a single year. That's not a printing bill. That's a money problem about money. So the Reserve Bank of India has decided to do something about it. India is about to get plastic money. Real, physical, plastic banknotes. And the pilot is coming. Very soon. Here is a problem that sounds almost too absurd to be real. India prints money. People use it. It gets ruined incredibly fast. India prints more money to replace it. That replacement money also gets ruined. India prints more, and more, and more. The 500 rupee note, India's most circulated, barely lasts a few years. The humble 10 rupee note? Even less. And with over 1.4 billion people transacting in cash every single day. Currency in circulation hit a record 42.86 trillion rupees as of May 2026. That is a staggering volume of physical notes being born, used, destroyed, and replaced. Constantly. Expensively. Wastefully. There had to be a better way. Polymer banknotes are not a new invention. The world's been experimenting with them since 1988. Australia was first. They introduced a plastic $10 note, and it worked so well that today, every single Australian banknote is polymer. 60 countries worldwide now use polymer banknotes. The UK switched its pound notes. Canada switched. Singapore switched. Meanwhile, India tried and failed. In 2012, India approved a trial of 1 billion 10 rupee polymer notes across 5 cities: Kochi, Mysore, Jaipur, Bhubaneswar, Shimla. Different climates, different humidity, different temperatures. The goal? Test whether plastic notes could survive India's chaos. The trial was shelved. ATMs couldn't read them properly. The technology wasn't ready. That was 2012. 14 years have passed. The technology? Very much ready. Let's understand what we're actually talking about. Your current rupee note is made from cotton-based paper. It absorbs moisture. It tears. It fades. It rots. A polymer note is made from a thin, flexible plastic substrate. It repels water. It resists tearing. It holds its color. It survives being washed in your trouser pocket and comes out perfectly. And here's where it gets genuinely interesting. Polymer notes can be embedded with security features that paper simply cannot support. For a while, paper and polymer notes will coexist. Both are legal tender. Both spend the same way. The difference? The plastic one will still look new 2 years from now. ATMs will be upgraded to handle them. That fix took 14 years, but it's solved. Your wallet holds them fine. They fold. They flex. They don't crack. And when they're finally retired, they get recycled into plastic products, compost bins, plumbing fittings, industrial goods. Unlike paper notes, which are just shredded and burned, polymer notes get a second life. Wait, before we wrap this up, there's one thing most people asking about this completely miss. This is not just about cleaner notes. It's not just about saving printing costs.